Welcome back to my channel, Aztec, Nahuatl, and History by us, for us. Today's topic, Guadalupe, the Virgin Guadalupe, which is could be translated as the River of Wolves, and is composed of two words, one in Arabic and one in Latin. And is the word Guadalupe does not have a Spanish name or a Mexican name, and it's composed of Guadale, which means river in Arabic, and Lupo, which means lobo in Latin. So it translates as the River of Wolves, El Río de Lobos. That's what it means. So now you know. See you guys next time. Stay tuned for the next part 2. What happened in the Tepeyac.